Hey everyone, my name's Tim McCartney and I'm doing this video to introduce the new Create, Make, Shine project that I'll be hosting on the 1st of September. It's a totally online experience, of course, due to the pandemic, touching on 5 different topics, 5 different workshops really, is photography, filmmaking, both directing and post-production, drone, and audio production. So a bit about my background is I've been doing multimedia production for about 10 years now and worked on a whole bunch of different sets, including commercials, like real estate, weddings, corporate, actual feature film sets, hundreds of music videos, and I've really done quite a lot that I think that my experience would benefit you if you're learning how to film, direct, record artists in a studio music environment, just a whole range of different ways you can create content and learn to better yourself as a creator. And during these times, I think that you'll really benefit from this 90-minute workshop that I've got coming up. So I'll link it below. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll be doing a couple more of these kind of videos, but I just want to put this little one out there just to check in with you all and see what's going on. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Peace.